Sustainable fabrics, eco-friendly fashion. What does this all mean? Why is this so important? Because the type of fabric used to make that garment will affect how much damage it causes on the environment. When it comes to pollution, the fashion industry is one of the largest contributors in the world. And besides polluting the environment, the materials used to make that fabric affects water pollution and greenhouse gas emissions, rainforest destruction, microplastic pollution, soil degradation, and landfill waste. As designers, we are becoming more and more aware of this. And we're turning to better ways to manufacture fabrics. Better for people and better for the environment. Start thinking of organic fibers, such as organic cotton, which is grown without pesticides, without synthetic fertilizers, and processed without chemicals. Not to mention that certified organic provides fair pay and safe conditions for farmers. And the same goes for organic hemp, which requires less water than cotton, and it actually absorbs CO2 from the atmosphere. And the same is true for organic linen and organic bamboo. When bamboo is harvested, you don't have to kill the plant itself, which means that bamboo can renew and be regrown very quickly. There are over 30 eco-friendly fibers and fabrics available, whether it's natural fibers such as organic wool and merino wool, alpaca wool, or synthetic fibers such as recycled polyester or semi-synthetic such as lyocell, Lyocell, sometimes just known as tencel, which is the trademark name of the fabric given by the Austrian manufacturer Lenzig. Modal, M-O-D-A-L, is another semi-synthetic fabric known for its top-notch comfort and breathability.